Today, we're making treats from scratch. Ready for the challenge?
What if we mess up?
Well, that's part of the fun. Cooking teaches us responsibility, patience, and confidence. Let's get started. We have to be responsible with our measurements. It's important for the recipe to turn out right.
And how long do we have to wait for this to bake?
Well, we have to be patient. They need about 30 minutes in the oven. It does feel like a long time, but it's always worth it in the end.
You're right, this stuff does smell good. I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see.
See, something as simple as cooking can actually teach you a lot of things along the way. Everything is looking quite good, doesn't it?
Yes, we followed the recipe and everything looks great. I'm sure it'll taste great too.
It's time to let everything cool and finalize our treats.
Everything honestly turned out better than expected. At first, I was full of doubt, thinking, I'm so tired, when is this going to be over, and how long is this going to take?
The end results were totally worth it. I guess sometimes it really is about the journey along the way and not just where you are at the end. I'm pretty proud of what we achieved. I gained a lot of confidence for next time. Cooking and baking have shaped who I am. They taught me that it's okay to take risks, make a mess, and even start over. In the kitchen, I find confidence, creativity, and little bits of myself. Every failed dish was just another lesson to help me keep going. This is why I enjoy it so much and consider it an art, because it's more than just a fun meal, it's a way of connecting. This brings me to my last point, that is, cooking to me is a story, and it has the power to tell about someone's culture, preferences, and personality. I know for me, I have a lot of experience connected to cooking, such as my birthday, holidays, my family, and friends. It's not until you think deeper about what these experiences mean to you that you then find the true meaning. I'm very grateful to experience the joys that cooking brings me because I think it's really fun. And just like every recipe, I'm still a work in progress, constantly learning, growing, and discovering who I am. There's something else in it.
That is mustard.
No, taste it.
Aiden, will you try it for me?
Yeah.
I'll get your toy. If you don't do it, we're all gonna cry.
Try it. Aiden, please. Is it good?